Well, g'day curd nerds. Welcome to the Pecorino Romano taste test. So this Pecorino Romano was made with raw sheep's milk that was graciously given to me by Graham over at Arcadia Saltbush Lamb in New South Wales. And I made it in November last year. I was going to try it on the 1st of October, however time kind of got away from me. And it is now November and we're going to try, well, see what the cheese tastes like. There is very little moisture in the bag at all, which is a good sign. It feels really hard, which is what this cheese should be like. Perfect for grating, but I'm going to taste some and hopefully the flavour is all there as well. Had no problems. I had no hesitation when I made this cheese with raw milk because according to the Australia New Zealand food standards for cheese making with raw milk, I followed all of the recommended steps that you take. I made sure that the cheese was cooked over 50 degrees Celsius. I made sure that it was matured at 10 degrees Celsius. So I put it in the cooler part of my cheese cave. And I made sure that it was matured for longer than 6 months. So those were the 3 factors that kill any pathogens that may be in the raw milk. Anyway, so let's give it a shot. I've really been looking forward to trying this cheese, that's for sure. Nice cheese. Oh, the smell. Got a little hair trapped that has been in the bag for 11 months. Anyway, let me have a smell. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. Never smelled anything like it. Oh, I can't describe it. Anyway, let's get into let's use the knife and we'll give this a go. I think it's a bit too hard for my normal cheese cutting wire board that my friend David in Canada sent me. So I'm not going to break that. I'd rather, well, use a knife, nice big sharp knife. So this is very, very firm. So let's give it a go. Oh, yes, it is very firm indeed. Hopefully I'm going straight. Oh, sign of a good pecorino, I think. Let's have a look. Oh, there's a few mechanical holes where I didn't press it hard enough, but you know, I had my spring at 50 pounds of pressure, so I don't know how much more harder I could have actually done that. So yeah, a few little mechanical holes, but nothing to cry about, that's for sure. Oh, it actually smells great. And I think there may be even some calcium lactate crystals in there as well, but let's just check that out in a sec. This one looks equally as impressive. So we will cut this one into quarters. Oh. Oh, so dense. So good. There we go. Yeah, some little pockets of air, but that's no issues. Let's see if I can cut off a slice without damaging myself. Oh, there we go. Slices perfectly, actually. There's a big tower of pecorino. So let's just, oh, snaps, nice, very nice. I just can't get over that smell. It's just amazing. If you've got sheep and you can get some milk, I'll tell you what. Anyway, the proof's in the pudding. Let's try some of this Pecorino Romano. My goodness. That has some robust flavours, I tell you. Doesn't compare to Parmesan, doesn't compare to Pecorino Romano made with cow's milk, it's not as, it doesn't taste as fatty, if that makes sense. It's a lot drier in the mouth, but I tell you what, the flavour is delicious. No, really good cheese. Can't get enough. That would be absolutely, hang on, I'll finish my mouthful. Tastes a little bit grainy as well. And I'll tell you what, that's really, really nice. Don't get me wrong. Oh, nearly have a tear, that's how good it was. This, perfect for grating, because it's so hard. You could do slivers of it as well over dishes such as Caesar salad, stuff like that. There's some really good Italian pasta dishes that you can make with grated Pecorino Romano as well. But this sheep's milk cheese is amazing. So quality product, obviously from Graham, but really good. And thanks very much again for sending that my way, mate. Really do appreciate it. This cheese I'm going to vac pack and just store in the normal kitchen fridge. Oops, bit came out. In the normal kitchen fridge, and it should slow it right down. It may increase in flavour a little bit over time, but there are some tiny bits of calcium lactate crystals in there, but not a lot. And I really wasn't looking for that. I was looking for the difference in flavour between, say, cow's milk and sheep's milk with the higher fat content. But if you remember back to the original video that I made on the Pecorino Romano, you would have seen that the whey was very, very creamy and had a lot of protein left in it. So I made that ricotta salata, Pecorino ricotta salata. So and that turned out absolutely amazing as well. The flavour after I think that was 3 months old was just incredible. But this at 11, nearly 12 months is an absolutely fantastic cheese. Highly recommend that you, if you can get your hands on some sheep's milk, that you have a go of making some Pecorino Romano with real raw sheep's milk. Absolutely fantastic. Got no issues at all making this cheese again if I could get my hands on some more sheep's milk. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, then you can subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified of any cheesy videos that I put up every week. So if you're in line for a kit, then I would highly recommend the Italian cheese kit that we have over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au, and you can make the Pecorino Romano if you've got some sheep's milk. Anyway, Curd Nerds, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.